Hi guys. Hi, my name is Marissa. I am going to be teaching you the dance for Backwards, the song Backwards today. This is a duet, and so there are going to be two different parts, and I'm going to teach for each person, and then I am going to go ahead and run through it, the dance with each person, and then we will do it with music as well. So watch out, there might be a couple of videos for this. There are two people in this dance, so I am referring to person one as the person who starts speaking the line first. So that very first person who starts talking is going to be person one, and then the person who repeats and talks for the second line of the song, that is person two. So just make sure you watch out for which person is which. You can always go back and rewind and watch. I'm going to teach, like I said, both separate parts, but please feel free to go back. I'm going to be saying right foot, left foot, and using stage right, stage left, front, back, and back. So here we go. We are going to get started. Like I said, there are two separate parts for this, so please just make sure you know which person you are. And we are going to go ahead and get started. This dance is meant to be very silly and fun, and there is a lot of acting involved. So some sections and 8 counts of the song is going to be just improvising and doing some acting on your part. So that'll be up to you as duet partners figuring out what works best, because this is very fun, silly. This dance is going to start in your stage right, batten 1 corner, and it is going to move diagonally backwards. All the way into stage left, like batten 3, the very back of the stage. During each section of the song, I'll teach in sections. I will let you know what part of the stage to kind of move to as well. So we're going to get started. I'm going to start with person 1. This whole first part of the routine, I'm going to focus on person 1, and then I'll do person 2. Okay, so you both are going to be holding in the front corner of stage right. Person 1 is going to move first. So they are going to be standing here, and person 2 will be standing in front of them. Person 1 is going to start, and we are going to go walking backwards. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're leaning. And then to stand up, we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to kind of go to your left corner and then your right corner. So I'm going to do that one more time. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where we're going to hold as person 2 comes out for the next 8 count. They are repeating the same steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where you would probably add some acting, fill in that space right there. The next part is person 1 is going to jump out here. 1, 2, hold for 3, 4, and then from there, person 1 is going to walk around this way as person 2 is moving in front of them to pinch the derriere, the butt of person 2. So we have some movement happening there. So person 1 goes back and up. We hold for the 8 counts. We jump out. Second person jumps out, and my arms are kind of extended this way, and then we're switching spots, but then you're going to pinch the derriere of person 2. So now we should be in different spots. Person 2 is going to be kind of the lead. They're kind of on your back diagonal here for this next section. And then as you jump and pinch that person, we're actually going to here we switch spots. Now you are going to switch spots again. So we have person 1 was here, they jump out. You're going to come and pinch, maybe have the person 2 being pitched in the front this way from the side, and then make this switching. So we'll have like person 2 here, person 1's behind them. You're going to switch this way for the next line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Person 2 should be over here, and you look at each other for the "are they mad" part, and you guys can just kind of like act that out. Are they mad? So again, person 1 is over here, person 2 over there. We're still moving diagonally backwards, and you're going to start again. Person 1 is going to go down, down, up, up, and then they are going to do one plie, and then in the music there's like a little do-do-do-do, and you're going to walk up the staircase. Again, very silly, but we're gonna go backwards and stand up and plie and do-do-do-do as you're walking up the staircase. From here, person 2 is behind you. Person 1, we are going to make a box around each other. So what that means is my person 1 person is up here, person 2. We're going to switch, move forward and backward, and then switch again one more time. So you should pretty much end up in the same exact spot. You're going to take, person 1 is going to take their left foot to go out, and then we're going to go back. We're going to go to the right. And then on the last one, it says ballerina. So we're gonna be silly and do like little ballerina moves. My arms are like up here in a circle to move forward, and I'm back to where I started. So like I said, after you have pinched and you're walking to side, are they mad? Down, down, up, up, plie, staircase, left, back, right, forward, ballerina. Okay, and my arms should be here. Ballerina, very, very, very silly. All right, that was almost the verse and a half. Then we are going to do some movement, getting into the more talking part. So after I've ballerina, we are going to do 3 sets. Step on my right foot, ball change, back, front. Step on my left foot, back, front, right foot, back, front. We're gonna do 3 of those, so I'm gonna start with my right. We are moving to face each other, so my person 1 should be still facing towards stage right. We're gonna go right foot, ball change, left foot, ball change, right foot, ball change, so that I'm facing now my person 2. After I did my left foot ball change, you're gonna take left foot, left arm, out, right foot, right arm, and then jump together and point to your head. It says something about no. So I'm facing this way, right ball change, left ball change, right ball change, left, right together, and you're facing your person 2. Okay? And then that is almost to the instrumental part. You're facing your person. My person 2, so my other person is going to start walking away from person 1. Person 1 is going to walk behind them very quickly and stop them. So this is obviously going to move further than the camera shows, but if I'm over here for no, my person 2 is going to start walking away, saying their lines. This person 1 is going to run around them and like physically stop them, arm to the chest, stop. And then there are some lines, and then this next verse is pretty much all acting. So it depends on which person you are.